Today I want to walk you through a structural reading of Berkshire Hathaway, because what we are observing right now is exactly the type of situation that separates reactive investors from strategic ones. The stock has recently produced a very aggressive recovery after a clear downward phase. Moves like this immediately attract attention, momentum rises, confidence returns, and many investors feel the urge to step in quickly. But professionals don't react to speed. They react to structure. Right now, Berkshire Hathaway is approaching a technically sensitive area, and there is a level that deserves particular attention: 776. Why is this level important? Because it represents a zone where the market would need to demonstrate something very specific, the ability to push higher without being rejected. In practical terms, a structural transition above 776 would suggest that selling pressure has likely been absorbed and that buyers are no longer just participating, they are in control. This is not about predicting the future. It is about requiring evidence before committing capital. And this is exactly what defines a professional mindset. Inexperienced investors look for signals. Professionals look for space. Entering before the market proves itself often means buying into compression where upside is limited and risk expands. Waiting for the market to reclaim and stabilize above a key structural level, on the other hand, means positioning only when the trade has room to develop. Yes, this approach can sometimes lead to entering at a higher price, but price alone does not define risk. When the market confirms strength above a level like 776, uncertainty drops dramatically. You are no longer buying a rebound, you are participating in a structure that has demonstrated resilience. Professionals are not obsessed with catching the bottom. They are obsessed with entering efficient conditions. Because investing is not about being early. It is about being aligned with the side that is actually controlling the market. So the real question for Berkshire Hathaway is not whether buyers are present. The recent move already answers that. The real question is whether the market can prove it deserves higher prices. And until that proof appears, patience is not hesitation. It is strategic discipline. If you want to move beyond reactive decisions and start reading markets through structure, asymmetry, and capital behavior, you need a framework, not opinions. At Global Asset, our work is built precisely on this principle, transforming market complexity into structured, professional-grade analysis designed for investors who refuse to operate blindly. Stop chasing movements. Start understanding them. Discover how a professional analytical approach can change the quality of every decision you make. Visit Global Asset and elevate the way you read the markets.